Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to delete duplicate emails. We have a table person with person ID and email, and we need to write a solution to delete all duplicate emails, keeping only one unique email with the smallest ID. For example, we have John email twice with ID 1 and 3. We keep only with ID 1 because 1 is smaller than 3. Before we write a delete statement in SQL, first let's write a select statement where we will group the persons by email and find its minimum ID. So we are grouping the email from person table, and we need to display only the minimum ID of each group of emails. Now we write the delete statement. We delete from table person where the ID is not in the list of IDs that we just defined by our select statement. So this select statement will be our subselect in the where clause. Let's run the script. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Now let's move on to Pandas. Before deleting duplicates in Pandas, we want to sort the data set by ID. We take our data frame person and sort values by ID. Now we need to drop duplicates based on email. We will keep the first occurrence. We use the function drop duplicates, and here we define the subset. Our subset is email. Why? Because according to the requirements, the emails must be unique. And then we want to keep the first occurrence of each email. Let's run the code. We successfully solved this problem in Python Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Subselect statement in SQL or sorting values and then dropping the duplicates in Python Pandas? Let me know in the comments.